Wow, this view is outstanding. Oh damn, it's blowing up here as well. Coming over to Jesse here. Wow. Oh, and wow, look at that. Just figured out that before we were standing up on this ledge right there. Now, just for fun, I'm gonna try and scale up to this little ledge right here. It's probably about 25 to 20 meters up, and I'm gonna see if it's possible. We have made it. Wow, what a view. Yes, Jesse. Look at him there, under the waterfall. How nice is that? Get in that hole, Jesse. Oh, all the way in. Oh, go, go, go. Oh, yes. Just made a discovery that Andrew actually goes and takes his girls on dates to this little outlook here and looks at the waterfall, looks at the water, and yeah, that's where he takes them, right there. Hey guys, so I'm just here at Purling Falls. I've just been swimming in the waterfall behind me. Look at that focus. Honestly, 150 meters of pure beauty. I highly recommend this spot, guys. There's a nice little hole under the waterfall that I was sitting in that's like perfect photo opportunities. If you guys are enjoying this video, please give it a like right now. It really helps support me and helps me make more videos like this. And if you want to see more content in the future, please subscribe. I think this restricted access area is worth it because this is probably close to the best view yet. You get like a whole 360 pan of the whole gorge slash waterfall and the creek down there. It's real nice. Here's Jesse coming now. Worked up the nerve, mate. Yeah.
Everything that's fun, exciting and worth doing is always restricted by rules.
That's fair, that's fair. Yeah.
I mean, I get it's dangerous to be up here.
Yeah, yeah.
Really, we're not that.
No.
It's not raining, it's safe enough to be.
Dude, it was literally concreted like right there. It's concrete path. Getting closer to the destination. It's getting a little bit more sketch now. It's getting dense. I'm a little bit more cautious now. Holy moly. Oh, this is awesome. Look at this, guys.
This is what you want.
So, moral of the story, don't listen to the signs. This ain't dangerous. Look how wide this path is. And now look at this. We're literally underneath it. Oh my goodness. I don't think this camera's doing jump.
I actually think it was a path one day.
Yeah. Oh, this is definitely was a path. Then something's happened or something. Making me fully skids out by holding his camera over the edge like that. Blowy. Oh no. Oh, she fine. So we've made it to the top. Oh man, I get really paranoid about holding my camera at the edge. I hope you can kind of see down. That's all the way down the bottom. We were down.
That's insane, like no sailfish.
Alright, we're hoping that the ranger doesn't come and fine us 360 each.
I don't have 360 to get.
No, I don't think a YouTube. Standing just there. Now we're sitting at where the waterfall starts and descends down about 150 meters.
I begin to